Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech M340. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. In the beginning, make sure that this mouse has battery inside, and then remove this dongle from the inside of the mouse. Close the mouse and turn it on. Now plug this dongle to 3 USB port in your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.